It's my birthday today. Punta tayong Pampanga. Let's go! It's almost 4. Kasama ko pala yung kapatid ko. Kasama niya din yung jowa niya. Nandun sila sa likod, nakamotor. Then, ingat tayo! Bye!
Okay, so... Ay, sa akin nakatapat.
Bali, wala kang mic. We're here at McDonald's. First stopover, guys.
Say hi to the vlog.
Nasa McDo muna kami. Magkakape. Anong masasabi mo? Time check. It's almost 5. $273. Ano yan?
Fries and alam.
We're done.
Kasi bigla tinutip sa kanya yung camera, bakla kumakanta si Bato. Kasi agad kumakanta.
Ano kasing kinanta niya na?
Nakata yun.
Hello! What the heck? Hello, you? Ingat tayo! Hello po, ang itlog ay naging ebon na. Oh yes, ang itlog ay naging ebon. Itlog. Ebon.
We're finally here.
We're
at
here.
our destination.
Nahulas na. Say hi to the vlog. This is my mother. Hello. Ano yap?
Sasabihin ko.
Hello guys. Ang ginagawa mo?
One.
Oy, ano yan? And this time, nagduyan muna ako kasi, ewan ko, ako lang ba, pero ang sarap kasi talaga ng hangin sa probinsya kapag hapon. Ayun, waiting na lang ako sa kanila kasi aalis kami papuntang SM Clark. Ititreat ko sila ng lunch pero ayaw sumama ng magulang ko, so mga kapatid ko na lang. Let's go!
Hi!
We're here na sa SM Clark. Saan ba tayo kakain? Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung Kenny Rogers. I'm with my brother, Chino, our bunso, Mike Jan. Wala ka, wag ka na, pe-epal ka. My monkey sister, Ira. Wow. Who are you? This is Bricks. Bricks si May. Kain tayo at magpapakabusog. Yes! Bye-bye!
Ganyan mo siya na Lance.
This is Lance! Gago, hindi. Ang pangit. Oh my God. Ngiti ka muna, be. Kamukha mo si ano? Andres Mula kapag nakangiti. Take. O, ano yung TikTok mo?
What?
Bullshit. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Sa araw na to, kasama natin ang aking human map. Say hi, my human map. Ganda ko naman dito.
May second floor yung carousel.
Ngayon ka lang nakakita ng carousel na may second floor. Ay, wala. Pang ilan po kami?
Dalawa po. Ilan po kayo?
6 po. Hindi kaya na lang. Thank you.
I was able to reserve a table and after that, nagpunta na muna kami sa department store which is katapat lang naman ng Kenny Rogers. Hindi na ako nakapag-video that time kasi tinamad na ako. Then after 15 minutes siguro nakabalik na kami para kumain. And then ayan, cute namin kumain, diba? Galit-galit na muna, focus lang sa pinggan. After namin mabusog, nagbabay muna ako sa kanila cause I'm gonna meet my best friend. Lapit lang naman siya from here, so let's go! So we're here. Ito na ang aking... Sino ka ba? Ang aking enemy.
Where you going?
Wow! Grabe ka na, be! May English ka na!
English talaga ako, girl.
Grabe ka na!
Challenge, alam mo pa nag-aaway kami, babe? Shut up lang ako. Kasi hindi siya naintindihan. Favorite mall of all. Alam mo, favorite mall ko siya, babe. Lagi ko sinasabi yun. Pag narinig ko
Ang
sa
alin?
Clark, favorite mall ko siya. Ang pakat ng mall natin.
Pagod na talaga ako dito so nagpahinga lang ako saglit because we had to get ready for picnic at 6 p.m. Actually, she asked me if it's okay to celebrate my birthday sa place niya and together with her family na rin. Well, we haven't seen each other for like a month and we've been best friends for more than 8 years so she's like a sister to me. I'm also close and comfortable with her family, especially her ates. They're like super nice. So I said yes. So, ayun, fit check.
Ha. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we're going to Boracay.
Hey everyone. Yung ganda mo dyan? Birthday mo? Wow. Puno ng liwanag.
Sunkist.
Hello. Dito kami sa CDC. First time ko lang dito. Hello, you.
And while everyone's busy, something unexpected happened.
Wow! Happy birthday! Paid actor to Guys mo talaga to. Umamin ka na. You love me talaga.
As fireworks unexpectedly lit up the sky, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the people I've chosen to surround myself with. They may not be many, and most of them are in family by blood, but they've always made me feel deeply loved.